How does one computer find another and talk to it among billions of devices? Think about it. When you send a message to a friend, your phone is talking to another phone somewhere on Earth. When you download a picture or watch this very video, your device is asking some faraway machine, "Hey, send that over." But how did it know where to ask? Let me show you with a simple analogy. Say you made a new friend today, and he tells you, "Hey, I live at 1 Marrow Street, Sydney." From now on, whenever you want to see him, you just go. You already know his address. See, humans find humans by their real address, and computers find computers the exact same way, by their address on the internet. That internet address is called an IP address, IP for Internet Protocol. Simply put, an internet street address. Every connected device carries one, a string of numbers like this. Your phone has one right now. And here's the neat part. Every message travels like a little envelope with 2 addresses on it. Your friend's address on the front and yours on the back. That's how the reply finds its way home. Out on the open internet, an address has to point to exactly one place. Otherwise, all those envelopes wouldn't know whose door to knock on. So that's it. Your phone, this video server, your friend's laptop, your smart TV, even your robot vacuum. Every one of them is standing at its own little address on the internet. Now you know what an IP address is.